Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. It is Mama Sila here, and in today's video I am doing a declutter. I'm doing the 30-day minimalistic or minimalism challenge, where each day for 30 days you are decluttering things in your home. On the first day you declutter one thing, second day you declutter two, and so on and so forth. But I am in the process of moving. I am moving in less than a month, and so I decided to do a 30-day declutter and go through small things in my house or small spaces and declutter that way versus picking certain items. And yeah, I am very excited for this video, and I hope you guys are too. I'm not exactly sure yet of how many parts this video is going to be, but I hope to keep it to one, if not two or three. I'm so excited. I will be either selling some of these things, donating them, or trashing them because they might be not worth donating. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get right into the video. Is this diaper bag. It just needs, honestly, a good wipe down. The next thing is going to be this helmet, and it's just like a protective helmet if your toddler or infant falls a lot. This helps them kind of be safe. Okay, so the last three items are items for the kitchen. The first one is this divider. Next we have this snack dish, and last but not least we have this. It's like a Christmas tree with presents on the floor. And I don't know what you put on here. I'm sure you put like snacks or something for a party. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and let's get on to the next day. Today is day 2, and I looked through Ethan's shoes and these don't fit him anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and list these on OfferUp. Probably $4 each. Sorry like crazy, but it's day 3, and the first item are these magnifying glass and 2 fans that I have that we won't be needing at our new place. 2 fans that I'm getting rid of. I just need to clean them before I list them on OfferUp. Day 4, and these are the products I'm getting rid of for today. I went through my bathroom and decided to get rid of some of the things that I don't need. Here's lotion, an old toothbrush and toothpaste that I would take with me for travels. This expired mother of all creams. And if you guys can see, so this Curology cleanser, a nose booger thing for Ethan. We don't need that anymore. We have an old mascara. I think we have 2. So this one as well as that one. A cleanser I never used. Lash glue that I've never used. And these glasses that don't even look right on me, so I don't wear them. Some spoolies. This was Ethan's, but we're just gonna get rid of it. And some benzoyl peroxide, this little cutter thing, and some sunblock. So I think I am going to try to sell these glasses. I'm gonna clean them up. They are Guess. They're like really dirty right now. They have like sand because I brought them to the beach and never cleaned them. But I'm gonna get rid of everything else. Hey guys, it's day 5, and these are the pieces I'm getting rid of. These are from the kitchen. So this first piece is for like fruit or any food you have cooked for the day and you don't want any bugs or any dust getting on it. I bought this from Hobby Lobby, I think for about maybe $10, and I never used it. Thought I was going to. I'm gonna get rid of this bowl, this pitcher, this scrap bar that I bought my dad a few months ago but never used, and this basket. Hi guys, it is day 6, and this is what I'm getting rid of. This glow-in-the-dark slime container that is no longer needed. I'm going to shred this. Actually, I'm going to keep this. It's an airplane ticket for my son. We have a Q-tip. It doesn't look used, but it kind of looks used. I found all of this stuff in my son's toy box that I don't let him touch. So this was actually in one of the cupboards that I had, but I'm getting rid of this. These nails, a rubber band, this letter C, this toy, which is my son's, this book, he has a duplicate that I'm getting rid of, and the little cubes in his hands that he wants to take. Quickly wanted to mention that I'm going to keep this toothbrush. I decided I'm going to keep it because we're moving, so I want to get all the little spots and crevices. Yeah, this is dirty. Ew. Oh, it's purple. Yeah. So I'm going to keep this and use it to clean little crevices like I was saying. Hi friends, it is day 7. Sorry again, I look crazy. But I have this huge bag that I decluttered from my restroom. A few things are... You okay? A few things are tampons, this hair dryer, this Huggies, it was yours, this Huggies baby wipe container, and other little small things. It's for your pee-pee? Yeah, it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and list the hair dryer. Next, hold on baby, I have this like over the door pull-up bar, and this iPad holder or tablet holder, and Ethan only used it a handful of times, but I'm just gonna go ahead and sell it. It has a spot where you can put like a remote control and something right here, maybe like, I don't know, your food or your snack, I guess. Friends, it is day 8 and I'm getting rid of a few of my dad's clothes that don't fit him that I've been holding on to. This pillow, as well as this pillow, and this pillow. It is day 9 and I think I'm only going to record to day 10 for part 1, but we have this pencil case, or this pencil holder organization thing, a container to organize maybe your nails, this other organizer, we have this basket, this paper cutter that I don't need or use, we have this curtain holder, we have another pencil case, a pair of Ethan's shoes that don't fit him, and this organizer bag for Ethan that I never used. Hey friends, we're finally at day 10 and I wanted to show you everything that I am getting rid of this day. So first is this heated blanket. I have 2 of them. They've been sitting in my closet. I actually pulled out the other one I have and I'm currently using it, but I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this one. I used it only one time. Next we have a fitted sheet for a twin, I believe. I'm just going to get rid of it. It doesn't serve its purpose at the moment. We also have a pillow cover, and this one actually goes to one of the pillows I got rid of yesterday. And in here I have clothes that I'm going to be donating, and I have also more clothes here that I'm getting rid of. So that was part 1 of my decluttering from day 1 to day 10. I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope to see you for my part 2, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.